you have to work really hard. You have to dedicate your whole life to it.
On my YouTube channel, I've got a series called 5 Things Producers Need to Know. It's basically 5 things you can tell your younger self. And it can be production, it can be DJing, it could be just life advice that you've learned over the years. But let's go for it. What are your 5? Number 1.
First, listen to people. Take advice. Okay. Don't think you know everything. Right. So production wise, really, I think what I always made the mistakes was putting too much tracks into records. So you don't overkill it. Where now my stuff is so much more sort of simple and laid back, and it's it's just about putting the right sounds in and not cluttering it with hundreds of them that you can't get the frequencies right and how to mix it then. So another one,
Number 3,
collaborate with as many people as possible. You can't do everything yourself. It's a bit like what Todd was saying earlier. That's why I do the tracky stuff, because you can do that. That's your fun bit. It's your DJ music, but it's also it's good to collaborate with people as well. Not just vocalists. Musicians, other producers, DJs, whatever comes across. How many is that?
So that's 3. Number 4.
Right, number 4. Yeah, if try and be different to what everyone else is doing. What I find, what I hear right now, everyone's sort of using the same. I think because most people are using software now, it's just everything's starting to sound the same. Everyone's using the same plugins, the same synth plugins, the same equalizers, blah blah blah. Maybe just pick up some cheap boxes, like these little Moog boxes are out there that are £100 and just. Little sequences, so fuck around with them, do something different. You'll come up with it's much more fun as well, and you'll come up with different elements and different ideas for tracks that you wouldn't have thought of.
And number 5
is you have to work. You have to work really hard. You have to dedicate your whole life to it. I mean, when I started out as a teenager, I was just on it all the time. I was just if I wasn't in a record shop, I was messing around with a sampler, a synth or anything. I was just on it all the time, learning and absorbing. And after all these years, I'm still pretty much that. I listen to so much music, old, new, always sort of reading about software and stuff that's coming out, always trying new things, and talking to people all the time.
Thank you, wicked. Wicked, yeah. Watch this video next for more tips for DJs and producers, and consider subscribing so you get these videos first. I have been Graham Farmer, and thanks for tuning in this week. See you next week. Bye-bye.